We walk to the park in the evening. We walk to the park in the evening. He runs every morning to stay fit. He runs every morning to stay fit. I work in an office downtown. I work in an office downtown. She studies English every day. 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 I type emails on my computer. I type emails on my computer. She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. He writes in his journal daily. He writes in his journal daily. I draw pictures in my notebook. I draw pictures in my notebook. They watch TV after dinner. They watch TV after dinner. I listen to music while walking. I listen to music while walking. We talk on the phone every night. We talk on the phone every night.
She calls her mom every evening. She calls her mom every evening.
He texts his friends after class. He texts his friends after class. I open the window to get fresh air. I open the window to get fresh air. Please close the door gently. Please close the door gently. I turn on the light when it's dark. I turn on the light when it's dark. Don't forget to turn off the fan. Don't forget to turn off the fan. She buys groceries on the weekend. She buys groceries on the weekend. He pays the bill by card. He pays the bill by card. I carry my backpack to school. I carry my backpack to school. We lift the boxes together. We lift the boxes together. She sits on the sofa to relax. She sits on the sofa to relax. He stands in line at the bank. He stands in line at the bank. I sleep around 10 p.m. every night. I sleep around 10 p.m. every night.